Alright guys, quite frankly I don't even know what part I'm in the vlog or what I last said or last did, but I know me and Luis, we're gonna go on the road. He's going to get some food somewhere, I don't know, but I'm gonna accompany him and try to get something myself too. You know, I always walk with my belly, I never leave my belly behind. My belly have to forward with me. You get my set, belly times 2, you know what I'm saying? So I'll get some food, so I'm gonna end this vlog here. Guys, you don't even know, man. Thank you guys for, you know, being with me in this experience. Thank you for understanding the differences in experiences and appreciating them. The people who keep a comment and I like the video them and keep a push me on. You see me, giving a whole heap of respect, whole heap of gratitude. You feel me? Gratitude is a must, yeah. So I'm about to leave now, yeah, and I'm gonna continue the vlog wherever I go. So thanks again for following me to Apply to Comment. Thanks again, Apply to Comment. It rhymes, yeah. I could be a rapper. I think I'm done with this YouTube thing. I'll become a rapper, yeah.
Ellos me iban a pagar eso, justo regresaría el lunes 15 y ya me pagan mi quincena completa y ya, de que pum, se vienen.
Son como...
So we're playing Chronix. Louis said he wanted to listen to some Chronix music. Some Jamaican music. Burger.
Or I'm really thinking in a salad.
All right. Hola.
How are you?
I'm doing good, man.
All right, man. What you like it? You talk to me and service, okay?
All right, cool.
I got the different burgers. It's right here. This is the spinach, the minions. All right. I got the right here. It's burgers. So I got various different burgers. I have 14.
Wow. What is that? That's chicharron. Chicharron. Wow. All right. All right, guys. So right now we're at this place. You can talk, man. It's real life. What? Okay, you have to talk now. What's the name of the place? What? Moo. Okay, MU. So the name of the place is Moo. It's got a really nice vibe. It's very, you can hear the music, you can tell what the place is like. You can see a lot of flora, fauna, you know, pretty cool, pretty chill. And you know it's chill because it's pet friendly. Maya is here with us and she's just chilling out, man. I just got my drink, which is a passion fruit drink. It looks pretty good, so let's try it. Tuna? Tuna is, yeah. Tuna is him. Ah, gracias.
Por favor, mostaza y jalapeño.
Claro, una pomesa.
Y...
Yo, this burger looks so good. Luis got a tuna burger. It looks very beautiful. I can't wait to jump into this one. It's got avocado, medium rare beef. I'll tell you how it is. So I have some garlic sauce, but this is like chimichurri on top, fresh cheese, beef, avocados, bacon. Yo, this is the life. I know some of you are gonna say, oh, you make me hungry again. Sorry. Alright guys, so we are at some nice part in La Playa del Carmen. I won't be able to video too much because 5th Avenue, that's like the tourism central, right? Yeah, so I'm going to one of his friend's house, so I won't be videoing much anymore, so I'll see you guys soon. Alright guys, so we're back outside. I like this area. To be quite frank, I think so far I've liked La Playa del Carmen more than Cancun so far. I mean, besides, I haven't been in the, like, really walked in the tourist section of La Playa del Carmen, of Cancun, but La Playa del Carmen, it seems pretty bit more chill. Right now we're in the 5th Avenue, you can see everybody. Well, you don't see them now, but they were there, like a whole group of them. But yeah, we were just there having a few drinks, and we are about to head back home, charge my phone. I don't know what I'm gonna do after that, but probably go sleep. And yeah, anyway guys, remember to see things, love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.
He's Venezolano, de Venezuela, from Venezuela.